Welcome back, guys. Whoa, can't even talk today. Speak. Look at that. See, already messing it up. How are you guys doing today? Welcome to the live stream. Leland here. Going to be bringing you guys TAs of what's going to be happening. We're really low. We're super low in the chair here. There we go. That's better. That looks good. How is everyone? How you guys doing today, chat? I had the most busiest weekend / into yesterday. It was insane how much I was doing. I had no time literally for anything. It snowed like 2 feet, 3 feet over this past weekend, and it didn't stop until about Sunday night. So that's what I was doing all day yesterday. It killed me, literally killed me. So we're here. I'm back. Hey, what's up, Imperium? Thanks for the 10, bro. I really appreciate that. F and J, yeah, dude, definitely. Let's go take a look at that. Let's see. F and J. Alex, thank you so much for the €5.49. Want to take a look at Orchid? You got it. All right, they're already coming in. Fantastic. I need to. All right, Vintage Toys. Hello, what's up? Thanks for the 5, bro. Really appreciate that. Let me go see. Give me 1 second here, guys. Just let you know, it is a $10 minimum for this, guys. So if you do want to take a look at that, let me pull up. Well, they're just flooding in here. I guess people really wanted to see what was going to be happening with all these coins. Hey, man, thank you for the 14. I'm a little unorganized right now. Thanks for adding that additional 5 for that. Okay, let me see what we got going on here. You guys are going way too fast for me. Going way too fast. Way too fast. Give me 1 second. I need to go find my extensions. Oh, man. I'm out of sync? It says, can you... Oh, I need to check sync. Oh, yeah. No, for sure. We'll do sync as well. Okay. Well, you guys are just going crazy right now. Just blowing me up, and I haven't even... I should have prepared better. I need to go to my Chrome extensions, and I need to get rid of... Okay, this is just ridiculous. You guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the donations already. We're only like a few minutes into this already, and you guys are piling them up. We got so much to... Oh my goodness. We have so much to do today. Guys, thank you so much. I can't keep up with everything that's going on over here. I had to block everybody's... Jesus Christ, what the heck? Guys, slow it down. Give me a second. Thank you so much. I know I've been gone. You guys have been needing your TAs. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Okay. I need to... Okay, listen. I turned off my extensions, or I turned off the comments on YouTube. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I had to do that because I just could not do the comments anymore. Like, the YouTube comments were like getting to me. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Oliver. Thank you for the 3, man. I really appreciate it. Christopher, thank you for the 10. Thank you so much, man. I am out of order here. So I'm trying to get these in as fast as I can, guys. Thank you for the 10, 22 Kings. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for that. Oh my goodness. You guys are blowing me up. This is absolutely insane. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get my they're not stopping. Right. Thank you for the 10, man. I really appreciate that. Dash. Gosh, I'm trying to get these all in as fast as I can, guys. I really am. Okay. Right. Thank you for the 10 again. Iota. All right. Iota. I have to turn on my comments. Matt James, what's up, dude? Loom, you got it. Holy crap. We're going to be live streaming for a long time today. Oh, man. I got to get my coffee again. I got to get more coffee. This is insane. Please do XEM. One Combo Fishing. What's up, dude? XEM? I got you, dude. Yeah, we can do XEM. I'm trying to catch up. I know I'm missing stuff. One, please. Carl R. What's up, dude? Thank you for the 10, dude. Thank you so much. I can't keep up. I cannot keep up. This is absolutely insane. Atomic, thanks for the 20, bro. I really appreciate it. No TA, just a huge thank you. Thank you, dude. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay. I can't keep up, guys. This is insane. You guys are nuts. Christopher, thanks for the 10, dude. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Okay. This is insane. This is crazy. I have to, Leland, what is your, oh, I can't see it. For ETH and Bitcoin, they're coming in too fast, guys. I cannot see them all. Thanks for the solid educational TA you were doing. Love to take a look at Ren Portal Mine. You got it, dude. Absolutely. We'll definitely take a look at that. Okay, this is insane. I don't even know like what's happening right now. This is way too many. I can't keep up. What in the world? Okay, you know what? Actually, you know what's happening right now? These are all... Why is this happening? These are super chats that were from before. Okay, I'm understanding this now. This doesn't make any sense. Makes zero sense whatsoever. Why is this happening? This is stupid. Okay, these aren't actually donations. These are all from previous live streams, but they're all coming through right now. I don't know why that's happening. This live stream is going to get so messed up right now. It's not even funny. Okay. Anyways. Okay, I need to turn this off. Like, this is... I don't know why this is happening right now. Okay. I had to turn off the super chat real quick because I need to explain something real quick. I need to change my Chrome extensions, all the Chrome extensions that I have, because first of all, I can't see anything. I can't see anything for the comments because I turned them off and I didn't realize that was going to turn off the chat for me as well. So I'm kind of flying in the dark here. Appreciate you guys. I see it. Here we go. I got it now. I appreciate you guys with all your patience. I need to switch this back over so I can see what's going on. For a sec, I was like, that doesn't seem right because it just kept coming in and coming in, coming in. I'm like, I can't keep up with this. This is insane. So I think the only thing that we have so far is Christopher with the 10. Let's check out Dentcoin. Okay. Yeah, we got that. I need to delete this whole list. I was trying to, that was craziness. Eventually, we're going to get to the TA. Okay, you know what? Forget it. We're going to fly blind. I'll just do it within here. Sorry, guys. Crazy. Totally craziness, whatever's going on right now. I have to turn the alert box back on. Let's see if it stopped. Let's see if it fixed it. Let's see if it works now. But anyways, I bet a lot of you were scared. I bet a lot of people were kind of wondering, hey, what's going on with Bitcoin? Why'd we take a dump? I think that was like a 14% dump from here to the bottom. Yeah, about 14%. That's called a shakeout. When we start to break all-time highs like that, you get these big whales. You get these big corporations that come in here and they start selling. They start selling because they don't care. They don't care. They're going to try to buy in cheaper, and that's exactly what they were doing. So they sold off. People were selling along with it, and then they started to buy the bottom. So we had, what was it, 28% dip down here, and then a 14% dip right here. We came down. Oh man, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna stop. I don't know why it's doing that. How do I reset this? This is gonna be a really crappy stream if it's gonna be like this. Oh man, this sucks. What the heck, Streamlabs? I literally don't even know how to fix that or why it's doing that. Mm. Do I just let it run? That's so distracting. That's extremely distracting. I'm sorry, guys. This is like turning out to be a really crappy stream so far. I don't know how to fix this. I don't know why it's doing that. Why is it doing all of the... Damn. Why is it doing that? Can I clear the cache on it? Restart it and blow it out. Blow on it? Yeah, dude, like a old school cartridge for... Man. This sucks. I don't know what to do. Anyone know how to fix this? Has anyone ever done this before? Don't know why they're all coming through right now. All right, this is what we're gonna do. I have to. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to turn off the super chats right now. That way we can actually do somewhat of a live stream, and then I'm just gonna have to do it manually. I'm gonna have to try to figure this out as we go, and you guys are gonna have to yell at me in the chat to let me know. I turned it off. What the heck, dude? Oh, whoops! I didn't. There we go. Now it's off. So bear with me, guys. Bear with me today. This life, it's already a rough day. It's already a rough day, son of a... So anyways, we had our swing high down to a swing low right here on Bitcoin. We came up, we tried to break through. Dude, stop. Please. I'm just gonna delete it. I have to get rid of it. Okay. Dang, that sucks. I'm gonna have to figure that out later. I had to delete it. Get rid of it because that's really distracting. Anyways, okay, the live stream starting 10 minutes later. Jesus, I'm so sorry, guys. Anyways, swing high, down to the swing low. You can see we came up 3 different times over here. We came up to try to attempt to break out of the 618. When we finally broke out of the 618, we came up, we hit resistance at the 786. We came back down, retested, not quite, not all the way, but very, very close. We got that retest and we came back out and we were on our way. It was looking really good. It's still looking really good. You can see on our MACD over here, we do have hidden bullish divergence right there. Boom. Negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving to the upside. But what happened? Right? What happened over here? Why did we take a drop? Kind of like what we were talking about before. Guys, this is the shakeout. This is the manipulation that you see within the markets. And everyone freaks out. Everyone's like, oh no, it's over. We should have been going higher. And that's literally all it is. But keep in mind, we did put in a newer high. We put in new all-time highs over here. We came down and made a low, but look where this low is within the 618 to 786. I'm fine with that. I'm completely fine with that. There's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Look, we're above the 786 right now. I thought, and I really did, and this is where it catches everyone off guard. This is why I don't recommend doing leverage, shorts, trades, anything like that, where you go put in a long or a short, because stuff like this happens. This is exactly why I don't do stuff like that, because you can get liquidated like that so fast, so easy. But when we came over here, we broke through the 786, we got the retest, and then it came back down again, and I was like, okay, we've tested it twice, that's really good support, let's take off. We started taking off, and then boom, that's it. That's when people started, those big whales and stuff started selling. I mean, it wasn't a lot, right? It's only a 14% drop for Bitcoin. That's really nothing. That's about half of what we expect for actual drops like we had back here when it was like 28%. So 14% drop, not that big of a deal. And the reason why I say that is because if we go to a weekly, I don't know if I showed you guys this or if you saw this in the video that I posted, but if we pull up the stochastic RSI, look what we're doing down here. Let me go ahead and let me just get rid of these two guys over here so you can see exactly what's going on. Okay, here's Bitcoin back over maybe beginning of 2019, about something like that. Okay, and let's just get rid of all that. So I don't know if you guys saw this, but every time we had come below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, we came down and we pumped. And you can see that. That was that drop right there, and we went up. Well, if we take a measured move from that bottom to the top over here, that was 345%. Okay. Same thing over here. We came down below the 20, and then we pumped. And it wasn't a lot, but it was still nevertheless a pump. And if we take that measured move right here to the top, that was like 64%. Not too bad. Pretty good. Here's another one. Let's make that a little bit bigger so we have a better visual of what's going on. We have another one down here below the 20 on the stochastic RSI. We bottomed out over at about $3,800, and then we topped out over here. That was our top. Boom, boom, boom. We take a measured move from here all the way to that top, over 200%. That's really good. I know you guys are looking at this right now, and you're wondering what's going to be happening. Everyone's in FUD right now, and that's exactly, I love it, because this is what the media does. Whatever articles you get your news from, YouTubers, all these YouTubers are promoting FUD, and I've seen so many thumbnails. I've seen so many videos of YouTubers going, "Was that the top? Is this the top? What's going on?" And they're just hyping it up. They're trying to get more views, and they're trying to. It's just I don't get it. I don't understand why people do that. But look down here below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, and we pumped, and that was a massive pump. That was a really massive pump back there. I think if we go ahead and we measure it, we did something around, let's see, from this bottom right there, we went to the top. That was about over 500%. So we haven't done this in Bitcoin since October of last year. It's been quite some time. So we're below it. We're about to get our cross. We're about to get the cross, and I am looking for further upside for Bitcoin. A lot of people are scared, wondering we're probably going to be going down. I don't think so. I really don't think so. I think this is just a fake out. It's the shakeout before people, they're trying to accumulate more coin. That's literally all this is. All this is. I'm really curious to see if we can take a fib from here to down here. Yeah, we're still stuck between the 618 and the or it's the 1618 and the 2618s, but that's old data. That's really old data. We can take some new data over here, and yeah, this one's still very valid. I'm still going off of this Fibonacci for Bitcoin. Looking fine. It's looking fine. A lot of people are worried right now. It's really nothing to worry about. What's going on with Ethereum? Ethereum right now, we were in some kind of like broadening wedge. We broke out, and then boom, Bitcoin did its thing. But look, we're still between the 618 and 786 right there. I'm fine with it. I'm totally fine with it. Let's cool it down a little bit. We had pumped up quite a bit in Ethereum. I mean, from the bottom over here, we were sitting at about almost $1,300 to the top, like 50%. That's a lot. That was only since at the end of March. Only at the end of March. So, that's looking good. That's looking completely fine. Everything's looking completely fine. I don't know why people are freaking out so much. Look at that stochastic RSI. Look at crossway. This is on the 4 hour, by the way. 4 hour below the 20, moving on our way up. This is what the stochastic RSI is it's showing momentum. It's showing momentum within the charts, and every time we get really low or below over here, we have a move to the upside. Now, I'm not saying we're going to start pumping and we're going to break all-time highs, but I think this is the bottom right here from this little drop. I really do. I think that's the bottom. So yeah, same thing over here. We're about to get our cross. You have the stochastic rounding out, looking good. Get your cross over here. I think that's about the bottom. Yeah, mixed with the stochastic RSI. We're already starting to round out on the histogram. You came over here and you almost touched the 30. That's the bottom to me, unless Bitcoin just wants to dump again unexpectedly. But I don't think that's going to happen. I really don't. Okay, you know what? I still have a list here. We got to get to Christopher. Thank you for the 10, dude. You wanted to take a look at Dentcoin. You got it. And then we're going to... That's fine. We can leave that right there. Oh, look, Drew's in here. Hello, Drew. Welcome. Welcome in. DPM? Derp and derp? It's not going to stop. JC, thank you. I'll donate later when it's fixed. I mean, it works right now. It's just, it's not going to pop up on the screen. So I'll just have to tell you guys. Drew, thank you for the 10, dude. Really appreciate that. What do you think about BAT? I bought some at 8.5 cents. Hold or convert to Bitcoin or something else. That is a decision that you are going to have to make for yourself, my friend. I can do a TA on BAT. I could do a TA on BAT. It's going to be a clear TA. You'll understand exactly where we are, our supports, our resistances, areas that you're going to be looking at. And then that's a decision you'll have to make. I can't give advice on that, man. I'm really sorry. I can't. Well, I'm doing my best to give you a really good TA. So Smoke, what's up, dude? Welcome back. Thank you for the 10, dude. Thank you. Please do a TA on Zcash. Yes, let's do it on Zcash, dude. That one's looking so good right now. Drew, thank you for the additional 5, man. I really appreciate that. My friend's holding Bitcoin for 3 years. Says not to worry. You're going to be able to handle some dumps along the way. Yeah, dude, you got to get comfortable. You have to get super comfortable with these dips. I'm fine with it. I don't even care. Bitcoin can go run down to 0. I don't care. I'm running it to the grave. I'm not selling anything. I'm leaving it there because I know Bitcoin. I know what it does. This is what it does. Nothing scares me. None of this scares me ever at all. Because it's the same thing that happens over and over, right? Bitcoin dumps. Oh no, everyone's scared, and then it gets bought right back up. Oh, Bitcoin dumps, and I mean, come on, guys. Look at this. Look at this. What more do you want? Okay, look at this chart. Look at the long-term scale of stuff. Okay, this is back to 2011 over here, guys. Come on. Healthy pullbacks, beautiful looking market. People call it a bubble. How can it be a bubble when we've crashed more than 80% multiple times throughout the entire thing? This is very healthy. Very healthy. 80% correction, 80% correction, 80% correction. Like, this is the curve. That is the curve for Bitcoin. It has just been going up and up and up, and it's healthy. It's gaining popularity. It's gaining adoption. It's a great hedge against holding USD. It's a great reserve asset. Absolutely. Drew, thanks for the other 10, dude. Thank you so much for the 10. Also, any short-term coins to look at into potential short-term gains. I see you talking about GRT and OXT a lot. Also, of course, just need TAs. Okay, yeah. We could try to find one. You know what? Yeah, I do. So let's do this for you, Drew. Let's do Drew wants a coin. So I'll find one for you. I'll put that one in there for you for sure, dude. Thank you. Thank you for the 10. Really appreciate that. What's up, Brant? Hello. What do you think of Litecoin? I hold Litecoin. That's what I think about Litecoin. That is what I think about Litecoin. So anyways, let's move on. Let's go check out Dent. Let's see what Dent's doing. Yeah, we'll do the one calculated by TradingView and the Binance one. Oh, I had both of these. I had both of these down here. Okay. Mana's crazy. Decentraland pumped like insane amounts. Man, I am all over the place today. I'm trying to get it together. I promise. I really am. Okay, that's on a weekly chart. Taking a look at Dent for Christopher right now. Oh wow, that's pretty. That's really pretty. So you had your swing high down to your swing low over here on our Fibonacci. This is just based off of current demand lines. That's it. I mean, and I can already see that it's looking really good. You came down, you tried to break through those 618, couldn't do it. And you consolidated, you started making moves to the upside. Look, boom, got denied right there at the 618 again. And then you tested support over here at the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. That was 0.002 cents. And then boom, you took off and you broke through the golden mean ratio. You broke through the golden mean ratio. You were being held down by the 1618 on your Fibonacci. That's looking good, man. It's looking good. But look where you're holding support now. Golden mean ratio is support. Dude, hell yeah. That's what you want. That's what you really want. Was this really? Dent really didn't even take that big of a hit when Bitcoin dropped 14%. Maybe it did. Let me see. From here to here, 20. Oh, okay, it did. It just doesn't look like that big on the screen. But nevertheless, you're looking really good. I mean, you're sitting above that golden mean ratio right now. Where are you going on the short term? That's what I want to see. You're finishing up, dude. There's hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. You were overbought. You were coming back down. You're consolidating, looking really good. You're almost sitting smack dab in the middle. 51 on the RSI. Lots of room to the upside. Lots of room to the upside. So right here, boom, negative momentum, moving to the downside. You're starting to curve out. You're holding that golden mean ratio as supports, and that's where you want to hold. Okay, that's where you want to hold right now. Bitcoin had its dump. It went down. You dropped 27%. Okay, we are recovering. You're recovering. You want to stay above 0.0031 cents. That's what you want to stay above. Drop below that, and you need to hold 0.0027 cents as a support. Drop below anything but below that, dude, and it's not going to be looking good. But right now, you're really bullish. You're really bullish on Dent, looking really good. Okay, on the daily, you are about to get a cross over here, but this is on the daily. So the short term looking pretty good. On the longer term kind of things, you are a little overbought on the daily, a little bit overbought on the daily. So you might have some sideways. I got it. Sideways moving action in the short time, but like I said, stay above the 0.0027 and then try to hold for right now. I want to see if you can. The only reason why I say right now is because on the short term, you're looking bullish. Maybe we can try to get back above. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see where that goes. So you're not overbought on the 4 hour. You're not. You're about to get your cross, and you're showing hidden bullish divergence. That's bullish for the short term. But like I said, on the daily, you need to watch out. You could just be moving sideways for a while. I mean, you've had quite the pump. That's moving way up here, dude. From down here, we're talking the beginning of March, which was, I mean, almost a little over 2 weeks ago. You've gone up 213%. It's time for a little bit of a cool off. Like I said, support. You need to hold those supports. After you do that, and you get the bounces wherever it might be, areas that you're going to be looking to break, you need to break through 0.0036 cents. Once you break through the 1618 on your Fibonacci retracement, it goes up really quick. It goes up very quick after that. You're going to be coming up and you're going to be hitting, what is that, half a penny? Yeah, half a penny. 0.005 cents is going to be the target after that. It's not if, it's when. It's when that happens. I know there's a lot of FUD in the markets right now. A lot of people feeling like, oh no, like stuff's going to go down. I'm going to be losing on my investments. I need to sell. No, don't do that. Don't do that. You have to hold, man. It is about the hodl. Get comfortable with these drops. Feel good about it. Have those reserve assets on the side for when you want to pick up some more. It's the best time to do it. After that, you're going to be going up to the 4618 at 0.0078 cents. I mean, overall, dude, on this coin, dude, you're looking really good. I mean, you just recently had this pump to the upside this year. So there's still a lot more gains to be made. When was this released? August 15th of 2019. That's a lot of data. That's a lot of data to be working with. Look at your volume. Look how flat it's been over here, or with it. Look at the momentum. Not a lot of movement over here. It had been flat for quite some time, and it got to move. That's going to pique a lot of people's curiosity. It's going to pique their interest. But just keep in mind, dude, you are overbought on the daily. You might have that swing down. You could keep going up for sure. But just watch out for those levels. We have our supports. We have our resistances as well. I think it's looking fun. There's nothing to worry about over here. Just patience as we move sideways. Maybe a little bit drop, but other than that, that looks fine to me. Yeah, looks good. It's not something I would be like, no, get out. You gotta get out. Let's see. What do we want to just take a look at BAT? Yeah. Let's take a look at BAT. I have so much stuff to do today. I'm gonna try to. That's why I was like, man, I haven't done much with the YouTube stuff lately, and I need to. Like, I have to update you guys. I have to get stuff working, but life has just been so busy lately. So I'm not sure if this live stream is gonna be that long today, but we'll definitely do it for a while. Wow, BAT's taking off right now. 4 hour. Wow, good for you, BAT. Was this basic, right? Basic attention. What are you doing on the daily? Man, that's right. That's how new it is. Well, okay, that's nice. So on the 4 hour, you're getting your cross down here. You have your cross down here. Negative momentum is moving to the upside. That's good. And you can see that that's being played out right now. You were being held down at a resistance somewhere over here. This is going to be your supply line right there. That was your supply line, and you were holding that for since March 10th. So about a week. You finally broke out of that. You might get the retest. You might get the retest back at that support, confirm that as support before you take off. But what I'm looking at here right now is you've already gotten the cross on your RSI. I mean, your MACD. You got the cross on the MACD, and I got that at 8.5 cents. Really, Drew? Wow. So you're up 10x. You just 10x your stock. Are you still holding right now? What are you doing? What's your plan? What's your exit strategy for this coin? Because that's quite a bit. That's quite a bit. 10x your stuff. Are you going to hold on to it? Are you going to go flip it into something else and try to double that? You know, try to double your 10x on top of that. I don't know. Are you in it for the long term? Are you in it for the hodl game? I mean, really, that's always the best way to go. Always the best way to go. But yeah, starting to print green on the histogram. You've had this huge run up since, let's see, 4/8/12, since over here, 31%, looking good. I know BAT has a really beautiful project. I know they have their browser and like way to make, they do a lot of supporting for people like me, like YouTubers, streamers, or whatever. So instead of was it like advertisements that help pay for the streamers or YouTubers or whatever, BAT does that through their browser. If I'm not mistaken, I believe that's how you're able to get paid, or you're able to make contributions through people or to people through it. I'm not really sure actually. It's been a while since I've heard about BAT. I think this is the first time we're talking about BAT on here. So let's see. Let's get you a fib. Drew, thank you for the other 5, man. You were just at it today. Thank you so much. I'm looking for a coin to flip into partially and hodl a bit, then remove to some Bitcoin. That's really the way to do it. That's really the goal. That's what I try to do. I try to flip these coins so that I can make a profit and then go move it over to either Bitcoin or Ethereum. More so in Ethereum lately for me. More so in Ethereum. I don't really like that fib. Yeah, I don't like that fib. Let's take it back here. Okay, you got rejected at the 618, rightfully so. Dude, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Look what you did over here. You came up and you hit that resistance at the 1414. You came back for the retest at the 786, and after you came back for that retest, boom, that was it. You were gone. And then you broke all-time highs that were back here. And look, you caught support all throughout back here. That's what you were looking to do. That was support all through back here. You had your resistance right here as well for the previous all-time highs, but once you broke above it, boom, you turned into support. You'd had enough. You would confirm that was support, and then you took off. But now you're being held down by the 1618s. Currently, you're looking good on the 4-hour. We know that. You're looking really good on the 4-hour on the MACD. You got your cross. You're starting to make moves to the upside. You pumped like 30%, man. So be looking for that look. You're going to be overbought here pretty soon on the 4-hour, and you might be having a possible pullback. For the meantime, areas of support that you're going to want to look for, since you did break, we don't want to go below 71 cents. Don't go below 71 cents. Took a lot of work for you to catch that into support. You caught it into support, and then you broke out. When you broke out, you came up to the 618. That was 90 cents, rightfully so. That's going to be a resistance, and you got close to $1. You're getting really close to $1, and that's going to be an area that's going to be hard to fight for a while. Don't expect to break that $1 so easily. That's a psychological resistance, okay? So areas of support that I'm looking for right now, and you could blow through that $1. You totally could. Is it likely? No, it's not. It's not likely that that's going to happen. So you want to hold 80 cents as support. You have to hold 80 cents as support. You're also going to be having the support over here at the 1414. Get that resumption off of here, or get the resumption off of that golden mean ratio down here. Anything below the golden mean ratio, that's not going to be looking really good. Like I said, we had this trend line. We had that trend line right there. And if you do come back down and you test it, great. You got to get above it. But I don't want to drop below it. Drop below 71 cents. Not looking good. Not looking good. Okay. I don't think that's going to happen though. We have our support lines, things that we're going to be looking for the bounces to the upside when you do get that bounce. When you do get that bounce, like I said, you got to break 90 cents. And then after 90 cents, it's going to be $1. That's going to take some time. That's going to take some time for you to break through that. You're gaining momentum. You are moving to the upside and it's looking pretty good. So once you break through that dollar, dude, that's it. You go into $1.21, and then after $1.21, you're going up to close to $2, but it's going to be $1.84 at the 1414. That's a lot of movement. Okay. That's going to take some time. It's not going to happen very quickly. It's going to take some time for that to happen. We have our supports, we have our resistances, but currently it's looking great. Currently it's really fine. I'm not seeing anything. I know it's a very new token. It's a very new token. Let's get rid of that. This is on KuCoin, so I probably have more data elsewhere. Let me see. Oh yeah, why am I on KuCoin? Why am I doing on Jesus? Okay, that looks way better. So much more data. So much more data. Okay. Yeah, dude. Jesus Christ, dude. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Are you being held down by any support resistance? Oh wow, look at this right here. Once you broke through it, you turned it into support, and that was it. That was it. It had been a long time for you to try to break through that. Dude, that's so bullish. That's so bullish. Look how many times you tried to break that resistance. So many times. And when you finally did, look, it came back for the retest, and you're taking off. And you're taking off. I think we can see a lot more higher highs with that. I really do. Just look at this long-term trend line right there. Like, that's beautiful. That's amazing. Areas that you're going to want to hold above. Yeah, don't ever get below 66 cents. About 65 to 66 cents. You might come back. You might come back for that retest again, and you could touch that trend line, which is going to be about 60 cents, maybe 65 cents and up. Or if you fell down straight right now, it'd be 64 cents. So look for that, okay? You might get that retest. You might get that retest at this trend line before taking off. It's going to take time. It's going to take time, but I mean, dude, overall, BAT looks great. That looks really good. Can't really ask much more for that. Lazik, what's up, dude? How you doing? Welcome. Oh, you guys are talking about the BAT is trash? That's not very nice. How is it trash, dude? We just did a TA on it. It's looking beautiful. It's looking really good. I mean, from the liquidity crisis down here, I wish my mouse would right there to the top, dude. Like, you're up 800% from that bottom. Not the best performer, right? Like, that's not amazing. That's okay. I mean, GRT did that in 1 month. Maybe like a month and a half. That took a year for it to do. So it's not the best mover. It's not something that's going to move drastically. You're going to make a ton of gains on right away. But it is going to move. It's less risky, a lot less risky than a lot of these other coins. But to say it's trash, no, it's not. It's not trash at all. Hey, what's up, Max? Thanks for joining, dude. We have LJ Rainbow Dash, Cardano Coinbase listed. Is that true? Did Cardano get listed on Coinbase? Dude, if that happens, holy crap. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Okay, let's go take a look at Zcash. Like I said, the stream isn't going to be that long today. Look at Tether. We'll take a look at the dollar on Bitfinex and the one on Binance. Let's see what's going on with it. See how much data I have here. That one's pretty good. That one's got a lot more data. I like this one. Do the one on Bitfinex. Wow, you haven't done crap. Where was it down here? $17, $136. That's not that big of a move, Zcash. Yikes. Yeah, dude, same thing. It's like these coins are just underperforming. Some of these coins are just, there's way other coins. There's so many more other coins that perform better than these coins. That doesn't make them bad coins. It's just you're not maximizing your potential gains. But let's see. Okay. You definitely are running into resistance over here. Definitely running into resistance. You're gonna need to, what the, No, what happened? Oh, come on. Here it is. Boy, this live stream has been just all over the place today, dude. It sucks. That's resistance. That's going to be a major area of resistance for you. Getting above that would look really good. Ew, look at this invert or this head and shoulders pattern that you had over here, and it broke down to the downside. That was back in 2017, 2018. I'd be pissed if I saw that happen. I'd be so mad if I saw that happen. Areas of resistance above, right there. Right there as well. Let's take a look at the daily. What are you doing on a daily right now? You did have hidden bullish divergence, and it didn't really play out. You're running into that resistance over at 172 bucks. That's going to be an area, a major area that you need to get above. I mean, we know that just from previous history. Like back here, that was huge support back here. Massive areas of support here, 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 and there as well. So getting above that's going to be very difficult. Very difficult for Zcash. You're not overbought at all. You've consolidated for quite some time. You probably are just going to be moving sideways, if not just a little bit to the downside. But it looks like you did break a trend. It looks like you did break a trend. No, you're holding it. You're holding it. Barely. No, you're fine. You're holding it. That's definitely support right there. So, but look at this. Not a lot of conviction, okay? See, hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. Momentum going to the downside. Its price action is moving to the upside. That's bullish, but look, it tried to play out and then it died. It died, and you're about to get a bearish cross right now on the daily. On the daily, dude, you might be breaking down out of this trend. If you break down out of that trend, it's not going to be looking too good. Not going to be looking too good. Okay, that's on the 4 hour. I'm sorry, that was on the daily. So on the 4 hour, on the short term, it's kind of hard to say. So on the short term right now, looks like you are going to be getting a bounce. You're getting that bounce right now. You have your RSI, the 12 and 26 day moving averages that are crossing. Can you guys see that? Yeah. You get the crosses down here. That's good. That's good. You did have negative momentum, but that's just continuation that's going to be moving. That's hard. I don't know, man. I don't know where this is going to be going. I know on the daily it's not looking too good. On the 4 hour, it's okay. It's okay. You're just kind of skidding skidding across. But why are you in Zcash? Like, there's so much more better opportunities out there than this coin. Let's see. Let's do a fib. You got rejected twice at the 618. You got rejected twice, and now you're catching the 382 as support right here. So see that right there? 618, 618 got denied twice. And then this was going to be an area of support. See how it was support back here? And then it just dropped below, and it went straight back down to 136 and then back down below too. You need to get above 158. Get above 158, turn that into support, and you're going to be looking pretty good. And then maybe we can rule out maybe that little bit of a bearishness on the daily. But as we sit right now, that's not good. That's a bit of a double top. I know this is on a 4 hour, so it may not last that long, but you want to hold this trend line. Hold that trend line. You've been doing that for quite some time. Start breaking below that trend line, and you come back and you get the retest on that what is now resistance. You're going to be going much lower. You're going to be going much, much lower. So you need to stay above 136 bucks. Stay above $136. If you start falling below, you need to hit that trend line over here. That's going to be about 130. Anything below 130 bucks, you're not going to be looking good on. You're not going to be looking good on at all. And then if you come over here and you drop below 123, dude, no good. No good. That's going to be looking really bearish. You might get the retest at that resistance line, and then you're going to be moving down a lot. Quite a bit, actually. Yeah, this is just, I know you're about to get that cross. If you get that cross and you come back up and you can try to break through 146, 157, then good. Then good. You'll be looking pretty good. Okay. We have our supports, we have our resistances. That's really about it, man. That's really about it. Like I said before, why are you in this coin? Why do you want to be a part of this coin? Because it doesn't look that great. There's a lot of other coins that look way better than this. And Zcash, I know, has been around for a while. It doesn't have a name, dude. And it's old. It just doesn't really have a name. A lot of resistances to the upside. It's been underperforming like crazy. I mean, Bitcoin's already broken all-time highs. We're way past all-time highs. You could have been in Bitcoin this entire time and been making way more money. But look at this all-time high over here. Almost 800 bucks. 800 bucks over here. And you're only sitting at 135. Well, Bitcoin's all-time high in 2017 was 20,000, and now we're sitting like 55,000. You see what I'm saying? It's not this isn't a coin that I would buy. I wouldn't. And there's probably potential. It probably can break to the upside and be doing really well, but I just don't really see this being a huge performer. Like I said, this thing's only gone up like 900% since last year. That's it. That's nothing, dude. That, like I said, GRT did that in a month and a half. If you go look at D&T, like look at D&T, dude. D&T from last year, exactly a year ago, is up 20,000%. You see the difference? You see the difference in that? Like, there's so much more potential in other coins. Why even mess around with those S coins like that? I mean, they're all S coins. All of them suck. Oh, is that why Cardano's pumping? That's why you guys are talking about Cardano. Holy crap. Nice. It was in this parallel channel for a little bit, but it didn't have really a whole bunch of weight. Didn't have a whole bunch of weight to it at all. Where did you get rejected? Oh, we have new data. Okay, we're not looking at Cardano. Try to go look at something else. But anyways, yeah, that's Zcash, dude. Not my favorite. Not my favorite at all. Carlene, hello. How are you? ADA is insane. Big green candle. Yeah, dude. Did it really get listed on Coinbase? Because that's insane if it did. That is insane if it did. That would pump the price like crazy. What's up, Carl R? How you doing, dude? Gerbo. Oh my god. It's just a rocket ship. Yeah, dude, it's doing really good. 20% on the day right now. 20%. Okay. Drew, you want me to find a coin for you. Oh man. That's a lot of responsibility. It's a lot of responsibility. Okay, let's go look. Let's go look at a coin. I want to look at something that has just what are your exchanges, Drew? What exchanges do you use? That way I know that you're able to buy it. Are you on Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken? Are you on Binance? If you're on Binance, you can pretty much get any coin that you want. Pretty much any coin. So a coin that I think is going to do well. Yikes, Phantom. Matic, yeah, we knew this was going to happen. I haven't looked at Matic. We knew that was going to happen. I knew this was going to happen. It was going to get released into Coinbase, and it had already pumped, and then it was going to start taking a dive, and that's what it's done. Everyone's just chasing the pump. How much is it down? Oof, 36%. Ouch. Ouch, no bueno. A coin for Drew. What coin do you want to look at? If it's something that I would buy right now. Look, man, I'm going to be honest with you. If it's anything that I'm buying right now, I'm buying ETH. I'm buying Ethereum, dude. And I'm going to show you why I'm buying Ethereum. Like, it's got a high market cap, so it's not going to pump like crazy, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for these pumps and I'm going to become rich overnight. It's this long, steady, mature growth that I'm looking within my portfolio where I'm not going to be taking massive corrections in my portfolio and getting scared and then selling the bottom. I mean, I don't do that anyways, but I know a lot of people do that. But if I were to buy a coin, I don't know if this is what you're going to be looking for. I'll show you something else if you don't care about it, but it's Ethereum. It's Ethereum, dude. Ethereum is going to explode. It's so undervalued right now. It's not even funny. And this is the reason why I say this. Look at this. You get rid of this fib. But look what we did, Drew. Look at this massive W. Massive double bottom, this W. You broke all-time highs right here. You came back for the retest, and you're getting a resumption. You're getting a resumption. And that in itself is huge, okay? That's massive. But look at bit or ETH to bit. Whoops. Ethereum to Bitcoin over here. You were in this giant formation. Can you see that? Yeah. You were in this giant formation of this triangle over here for years. For years, Drew. And then you broke out. You broke out. You're coming back for the retest. Look at this retest you're getting right now, man. This is why I'm buying, or I'm a miner, so I'm not buying Ethereum, but I'm totally bullish. And if I had extra cash, this is what I would be buying. Going out to the upside, dude. You're getting for the retest, boom, you're waiting for that. And the breakout target of this is 18% of one Bitcoin. 18% of one Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up and hits $100,000, dude, one Ethereum is going to be worth $18,000. That's coming. I'm telling you right now, that's coming. It's going to be worth a lot. It's so cheap right now. It's so cheap, and it's so undervalued. And that's because ETH has been having all of these issues lately that they're trying to fix, and they're doing a pretty good job. They're fixing it, and you watch, dude. You watch. There's no such thing as an ETH killer. Ethereum's ecosystem is so massive. It's so much bigger than Cardano or Polkadot. Like, yeah, those guys are trying to come in and they're trying to replace ETH. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. It's way too big. It's way too big. That's one coin that I would be buying right now is Ethereum. If it were me. Is that what you wanted? You wanted to take a look at something like that? If you're looking for like another coin, I don't consider Ethereum to be an altcoin. I really don't. Carl just bought 10 ETH because I freaking agree. Leland, yeah, dude, I'm telling you, dude, ETH will take everybody by surprise. It's been hanging out low. It's not really doing much right now. You know, I mean, it's moving, and it's gonna catch a lot of people by surprise. Okay, this light's way too bright. Okay, that's better. That was way too bright for my eyes. We got Julius. Difference, big gap, small gap. Next trick. There's a lot of updates coming soon on it. Yeah, July. There's the IP 1559. It's gonna be the London release. That's gonna, dude. I'm just telling you. Like, I'm holding on to my ETH. I have more ETH than anything in my bags right now. More ETH than anything. Hey, Drew, thanks for the 5, man. You don't have to keep sending like that. He says, I have tons of ETH, just wondering if you are into any alts right now. Yeah, dude, you don't have to keep sending. I appreciate it, though. Thank you so much, Drew, for all of the contributions. Okay, so you want to take a look at something else? I want to find something that's responsible, but also a good investment for you right now. That's really hard to do, to find a coin that I think is going to be going up dramatically and something that's not overbought and it's like primed to buy right now. It's kind of hard. That's kind of hard to find. I mean, that's what I try to do for myself every day. Really try to do that for myself every day. That's Aave. VeChain? VeChain's getting the retest right now on the golden mean, but that's kind of taken off. That's the thing, though. It's so hard to find these coins right now that are taking off. I know Theta and T-Fuel have been doing like massively bullet. Like, they've been doing a lot. Look at this. Look at T-Fuel. T-Fuel on a, go to a daily. We were in this price channel for a while, and this price channel back to October. And when we broke out of it, that resistance right there, I mean, it took off. That we were talking about this resistance a few live streams ago, where I think we were somewhere like we had tried to break out, we couldn't do it, and we were like right here. And I'm like, man, when this thing breaks out, it's gonna be crazy. And it's consolidating right now, and it's looking really good. I know Theta and T-Fuel are really good buys. Other than that, dude, that's such a hard question. What do I think is gonna go up? ETH, dude. That's like straight up. That's what I would be buying. I would buying a lot of ETH, but you want an altcoin. It's a hard question. It's a really hard question. Hive. Did you say what? I don't know if you did. Did you say what exchanges you were on, Drew? Which exchanges were you on? Man has been pumping like crazy. Jesus Christ. I'm talking to Jesus himself, guys. Mana has been pumping like crazy. Like, I wouldn't be buying mana right now at all. At all. It's taken off. Look at that. It's crazy. Overbought. Look at your stochastics. I mean, look at your histograms. You're rounding out. You're about to, like, no way. No way. Why would you even buy this right now? Look at that. Stochastics way up here, getting the downturn. Nope. Needs a correction. Needs a correction for sure. Man, that's hard, man. That's really hard to say. You know what? Litecoin. Litecoin. If you're looking for an altcoin that you want to do really well, that's going to be like making some major gains, that's the next coin I can think of, aside from Ethereum, is Litecoin. And the reason why I say that is because you had your all-time high back here in 2017. You've created this massive double bottom where you haven't even broken all-time highs yet. It's coming, dude. It is coming for Litecoin. I know people on PayPal can buy this, and once you get above 270 bucks, dude, you're going to be looking really good. And the reason why I say Litecoin right now is because let's see, everything's kind of doing this right now. Oh, is that an ascending triangle? It might be. I don't know. That's a little off. That's a little off right now. I bought Light the other day, and I hadn't bought Light in like 2 years. But I think Light has a lot of potential. A lot of potential. You're showing hidden bullish divergence right now on the 4 hour for Litecoin. Hidden bullish divergence, negative momentum moving to the upside as price action is moving up. That's what you want to see. You're about to get your cross down here, and you were overbought. I mean, you were oversold. You were oversold close, really close. Gosh, you came down here and hit like 31, 32 on the RSI. To me, that's the time to buy. If I'm looking at a 4 hour over here, you were oversold. You're finishing up your red on your histogram, hidden bullish divergence. That's a lot of variables. A lot of variables telling me that the price of Litecoin is going to be going up in the near future. And when I mean near future, I mean like within the next couple days, a few days, Litecoin is going to be going up. Very short term. On the daily, you are having a cross right now, but I'm not worried about it. I'm really not worried about it. Price action is going to be king first, and you've had your drop, and you're about to get the cross. The cross doesn't determine where price action goes. Price action determines where the price action goes. So that might be over. It might be over. You might create some red on the histogram. You might just be moving sideways. But for me, this is where I'm picking up. This is where I'm picking up some Litecoin. I know you're probably thinking like, really? Litecoin? Yeah. Yeah, I am. These are just these less risky assets that I feel like are going to be doing a lot better than some of these other altcoins that are just, I mean, you're going to have days like this where they dump. I mean, we're not too much in the red right now. Not too much in the red, but I mean, we go look at the past couple of days for some of these altcoins. Like, let's take a look at ONG. Like, ONG was pumping like crazy, and then out of nowhere, you just had this huge drop, you know? You had this huge drop in ONG, and wow, you're breaking below $1 right now? Dang, dude, that's not good. You better get above $1 if you want to see some more moves to the upside. 31%? Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, that's just too much. I mean, if you want to be risky and you want to take those risks like that, then okay. These are the coins that you want to get into, but you need to understand that at any point these coins could die. The projects could fail. It could just be a scam, you know, something that's a pump and dump where everyone starts buying it right away, and then you have the owner who sells everything and says, "Oops, I don't know what happened," and then it's dead. That's been happening with a lot of coins lately. I know a lot of people don't really talk about it, but you got to be careful with these coins. But yeah, dude, right now I'm holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and I have a little bit of Orchid. A little bit of Orchid right now. I wish I could be in every trade. I really do. I really do. Just because I don't have positions in the coins that we talk about doesn't mean I don't believe in them. I just, if I could be in every single trade, I would, but I can't. You know, I'm just a normal guy. I'm just a normal guy like everyone else, who holds a few coins and wishes that they could be in everything. That doesn't mean I'm not bullish on GRT. That doesn't mean I'm not bullish on Orchid or New Cipher. I know a lot of people are saying like New Cipher hasn't been doing very, very well lately. Whoops. Yeah, New Cipher hasn't been performing well at all lately, and it's still making lower lows. But I think eventually you are going to catch that bottom with New Cipher. Could these be the times to be getting a New Cipher? And this is really for you, Drew. I'm trying to give you kind of like a feel of like where I'm at, where the markets are at. Look how many times you've been overbought on the RSI. I mean, undersold. Oh my gosh, oversold over here twice, and you're starting to kind of make this bottom over here. This might be potential. There's probably a lot of potential going on over here. Oh wow, look, you haven't been this low on the RSI ever for New Cipher, ever. I mean, it's such a new coin, but at the same time, like, dang, dude. I mean, you're starting to flatten out over here. Look at your this is on the daily. Look at your 12 and 26. Son of a. Look at this 12 and 26 day moving average over here. They're moving down, and the 12 is already below the negative right now. You're starting to like round out over here. I don't know. Watch this thing start moving. Start breaking that trend line over here. Break this trend line right here. This is what you need to get above. When you start getting above that area, you're gonna start taking off. You really are gonna start taking off. These are really the times for me that I would be buying something like this. This is really the areas. Let's take a fib. Where do we take this? Let's just take it from here to here. Yeah, you're hitting that bottom right now. You're hitting that bottom right now, and it's so scary. It's so freaking scary when stuff like that happens. A lot of people think, oh, I'm going to go sell. It's not the time to sell, dude. It's time to buy. You need to buy when people are fearful. You buy when people are fearful. I don't know. There's a few coins. Wow, really in an indecision kind of state. Look at the MACD. No smoothness to it at all. See how we got this smoothness, smooth up, down, up, and then it's just kind of like doesn't know where to go. It doesn't know where to go. A lot of people are scared about it right now. But no, I'm still bullish on New Cipher. Still bullish. I mean, Jesus, we pumped like over 600 something percent from down here, from January to the beginning of the year to up here. Yeah, we need to go sideways. That's fine. That's totally fine. Go sideways. No problem with it. No problem whatsoever. Enki, hello. Thanks for time. Thank you for your time. Thank you. If you guys are enjoying this content, hit that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys. But yeah, I mean, these are the markets right now. That's just the way it is. We're just kind of moving sideways. Nothing's really exciting, but I wouldn't stay in that mindset. You shouldn't be basing like how your day's going to go based on where the charts are. You know, if Bitcoin goes down, are you going to have a bad day? Are you going to be mad all day? Oh man, I'm at a loss. No, you're not. You're not in a loss unless you've sold. You know, we're having a little pullback right now. It's affecting alts. Yeah, but that's just price fluctuation, guys. That's just price fluctuation. And if you look at the big picture, I mean, really, look at the big picture. Look at this, guys. Come on. This is just back to 2016 for Bitcoin. These pullbacks are necessary. They happen literally everywhere. Everywhere. Here, the entire way on this bull market, all the way up. All the way up, it had pullbacks. You have to. It's healthy. It's healthy for the market. You can't just go straight up. You can't go straight up because it's going to drop. The harder it goes up, the harder it's going to drop. And that's just normal. It's just normal price fluctuation, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. This next move for Bitcoin is going to be massive, though. It's going to be legendary. It really is. We just got to be patient for it. Wait for it, because it's going to happen. It's going to happen. I still have 3 feet of snow in my driveway. My driveway is 116 feet long, and it snowed 2 to 3 feet over the weekend, and I was out there all day yesterday. Not all day. I was out there for like 4 hours yesterday, just shoveling like crazy. And today I'm like, my body hurts. I got sunburnt. My body aches like crazy. I take like Advil. I came back in yesterday and I just started drinking vodka cranberries. I was just like, I have to get rid of this pain. This hurts so bad. I just drink vodka cranberries all night. I still got to go shovel that. There's still so much. I can't even get my car out. Like I can't go anywhere because it's still like that. And I have to go somewhere tonight. So I got to go shovel that. Dang, you're out of GRT. I was swinging it. I was swinging it back and forth. Yeah, with GRT going up and down. Am I done with it? No, not at all. I've just moved my positions. I've just moved my positions elsewhere. Like I said, I would try to be in every single coin if I could. Just can't. It's impossible. And like I said, it doesn't mean I don't believe in it. I'm super bullish on it. Hell yeah, absolutely. GW, buy the plow with some gains. I know I do need a plow, man. Actually, I was gonna go get a plow yesterday, and I was like, how the hell am I gonna get there? How am I gonna? I couldn't. I was like, this sucks. I even had my neighbors come over, like, hey, do you want to use my snow plow? And I was like, dude, if I break that snow plow, I'm gonna be, I like, no way, that would not be good. Yeah, it is a good hurt. Yeah, dude, it's a good hurt. Sore everywhere. My pecs, my tris, my shoulders. Like, I feel like I was back in the gym, like working out yesterday, and I'm so sore today. It's crazy. I'm stiff. I'm stiff everywhere. You guys like my Bitcoin pillow? Where's that? Right there. That came in the other day. Finally got that Bitcoin pillow. Looking nice. This Ethereum pillow, man, whoever made that pillow, like, you suck. The quality of that pillow is terrible. It's like a 14-year-old made it in home economics. It's so bad, but hey, it does the job. It does the job. Well, like I said, guys, the stream's not going to be that long today. Sorry, we had technical difficulties at the very beginning, which is embarrassing, and I'm sorry. I'm gonna have bad streams. It's just the way it happens. But I appreciate, the 100 people that are in here right now. I appreciate you guys coming by and checking out these TAs. Hopefully it helps you guys a little bit with what's going on in the markets. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about at all, guys. Don't even freak out about what's going on right now. I'm tracking this closely. When things start to hit the fan and we start going down and I see like significant pullbacks, I'm going to let you know. I'm going to be like, uh-oh, hey, red alert. I've done it in the past where I'm like, emergency, guys, like actual emergencies, not just this clickbait crap where I'm like, oh, everyone's going to be going down. No, like, I'm letting you know, okay, look, this is what happened. This is why this is bad. And I'll explain it to you and it'll make sense. TA is king. It's all about the TA. I don't care about news. I don't care about FUD. I don't care about any of that. They can put out any article they want about Bitcoin and it doesn't matter. It literally does not matter what they say at all. Bitcoin's on its trajectory. It's going to do what it's going to do. So don't freak out. Don't freak out in these drops that we have, guys. Be buying more. That's what I'm doing. I'm buying more. I'm trying to stack my bags as high as I can. Stacking those sats. Trying to get as much as I can before we start taking off. And I really do think Ethereum is going to be one of those that starts taking off here really soon. They're starting to fix all their problems. Not all of them. But when ETH 2.0 arrives and it's here, oh my gosh, guys. ETH will explode. These are the times to be buying. They really are the times to be buying. You have no idea. What's up, Lakers? Hey, dude. Welcome. Good to see you. One of my Twitter friends over from Twitter. I'm on Twitter too, guys. I don't know if you go. Link is down below. If you guys want to join Twitter, come follow me. I'll follow you back. I tried to follow like everyone back, and Twitter was like, it crapped out on me after like 150 follows to get everyone through. There's like, nope, come back later. Oh man, it sucks. Oh yeah, Sandbox RX. I think it's Sandbox RXP. Samba. What's up? What's going on? Dang, you see my face, dude? I'm so red. I'm so sunburned. It's crazy. Insane. Grief talking mongoose. Coinbase app is a super janky lately. Not updating regularly. It's pissing me off right now. Really? I have no issues with the Coinbase app whatsoever. I mean, I'm on an iPhone, and I know that they update it quite regularly. They had an update the other day with all those new coins that were coming out. So I did that one. Awesome. Hey, thanks for the follow on Twitter, dude. Really appreciate that. But yeah, guys, I think this live stream it's not going to be that long today. Not going to be that long. I was planning on doing a little bit of a short one. I'm thinking I'll probably be making a GRT video maybe tonight or tomorrow morning. I'll make a GRT video and I'll mix it up with another coin. I know Numeraire is Numeraire. Look at that rejection at the 1618. Crap, dude. I mean, yeah, let it. Eventually it's going to hit it enough times to where it's going to break through. But wow, it went up to $50. Good for you, NMR. See, this is what I'm talking about with NMR. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna make a video either, like I said, tonight or tomorrow. Actually, probably not tonight. Like I said, I gotta go somewhere and I have to go shovel the rest of the driveway so I can get out of here, so I can leave the house. That's about it for me, guys. I'm gonna start taking off. Thank you for everyone who's in here. If you're liking this content, hit that like button. I try to make a video every single day. Sometimes on the weekends I'm not able to make videos, and I'm very sorry about that. But typically throughout the week I'm making a bunch of videos. This weekend I will be making videos, and I will be going live this weekend as well. So I appreciate everyone coming by. My name is Leland, and remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Is the